Good evening, this is Andy with Alley Sports Cards. In regards to our 2011 Playoff Contenders Football 2-box break that ended on eBay tonight, 23 Feb, starting at 10 o'clock Central Time. In regards to that, I have a few spots that haven't paid, but looking at feedback ratings, I'm not feeling too concerned, so I just want to move on with this break. With that being said, my number one goal for everyone listening to this is to obviously ensure that you guys are getting everything that you want, and that we're turning this around as fast as we possibly can. So taking a look here, basically at the auction that ended this evening, basically we have Abe L with the Bills, Browns, and Colts, Daniel G with the Redskins and Ravens, Dung T, hopefully I pronounced that right. If I didn't, I'm sorry, just let me know. Buccaneers, Jets, Eagles, 49ers, Packers, Giants. Leonard S with the Bengals, Bears, Jaguars, and Titans. After that we have, once again, apologize if I pronounce it incorrectly, Ublester with the Rams and Chargers, Joshua C with the Seahawks, Brian P with the Cardinals, Kamaka with the Raiders, Chris T with the Chiefs, Charles A with the Broncos, Eric K with the Cowboys, Anthony C with the Patriots, Patrick R with the Dolphins, Cody D with the Saints, Jeff A with the Falcons, Wayne T with the Texans, John H with the Lions, and Gregory M with the Steelers. So obviously quite an array of individuals tonight. I can only hope, my best luck to all of you. So I wish that there is 10 autographs per box. So with anything else being further ado, let's get into these boxes here. So that being said, I'll pull up the box, first box here. Let's see if we can zoom in on the serial number. I've been having issues with this HD camera. It just does not want to focus. Anyways, 352-880-577. If you want to cross-reference that with the ID video, you certainly can. That being said, let's break into this and see what we got. There's the empty box. This will be box 1 of 2. With the break, you get all cards whatsoever. So let's break into package number 1 here. Alright, for the Bengals, Caldwell. Vikings, we have Jenkins. Legendary contenders for the Rams, we have Henry Ellard. Moving on with the Panthers, John Beeson. And the Titans, Matt Hasselbeck. Let's see some good hits. In addition to just selling items on eBay as well, I also do a lot of purchasing. So I have purchased a lot of cards on eBay, and recently I've been doing a lot of breaks as well, just as long as you guys have, or maybe as many as you guys have, and wow, I've had some really great hits. So with the Colts, we have Reggie Wayne. The Cardinals, Beanie Wells. Rookie roll call for the Bills, Aaron Williams. That's non-serial numbered. For the Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. And for the Cowboys, Miles Austin. Raiders, Michael Bush. Dolphins, we have Chad Henne. And our first redemption card. Hopefully that's something really good. We're going to hold on a second for that. New York Jets, we have Mark Sanchez. And Maurice Jones-Drew for the Panthers. Excuse me, for the Jaguars. Anyways, getting back to the redemption at hand. So, our redemption right here. RPS rookie tickets number 207. 207. Rookie tickets 207. What we have here is Alex Green. RPS rookie tickets number 207. Let's see if we can zoom in on this here. I apologize once again for this camera. If you guys come back on and just even mention this video with this HD camera that's not working properly. Anyways, number 207 right here is Alex Green with the Packers. So that's our first, well, let's be honest, hopefully that's not even our first hit. 4 autographs, so the average is about 5 from what I've been seeing, so let's just hope that that's exactly what it is. Alright, for the Redskins we have Tim Hightower. For the Browns, Ben Watson. For the Buccaneers 2011 rookie draft class, we have Ramon Claiborne and DeQueen Bowers. Non-serial numbered. For the Cards, we got Larry Fitzgerald, and for the Chargers, Phillip Rivers. And I hope you guys understand that I'm not trying to rush this. I know a lot of times we really want to rush these videos because the longer it takes me, the longer it takes to upload, in which case the longer it takes before you guys can see it. But I want to make sure that you guys are all, for people that have multiple teams here, I just want to make sure that you guys know exactly what you're getting. Alright, Falcons, Michael Turner. Jaguars, Mike Thomas. Ooh, there we go. The Bengals, AJ Green, on-card autograph. AJ Green, on-card autograph for the Bengals. And who's scooped up the Bengals? Alright, Leonard S. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is a nice hit for this first box. Hopefully we're not done by any means, but there you go. AJ Green. AJ Green. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Nice card. Congratulations. Put that safely right there. The redemption. Moving on, for the Patriots, we have Chad Ochinko, and for the Bears, Marion Barber. Like I said, that was a on-card autograph. You should have 2 on-cards and 2 stickers at the very least. Alright, for the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Baltimore Ravens, we have Ray Rice. There you go, there's a nice card. For the Saints, Mark Ingram, Rookie of the Year Contenders card. Non-numbered. For the Browns, Peyton Hillis. And for the Jaguars, D'Angelo Williams. For the Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Eagles, Michael Vick. Oh, there we go. Our second hit, a sticker auto of Marcus Gilchrist. Marcus Gilchrist of the Chargers. Who scooped up the Chargers here today? Blester. Congratulations. There you go. Sticker autograph. Marcus Gilchrist. Set that one right on the AJ Green. As soon as we're done opening this box, I think we'll make this into 2 videos, box 1 and box 2, in which case that gives me a little break in between to put these into protectors here. Anyways, moving on, Steelers, Mike Wallace, and the Jags, Steve Smith. Or excuse me, Panthers, Steve Smith. For some reason, Jaguars, Panthers, for I don't know why, I've always had an issue. Anyways, moving on. For the Saints, Marky Colston. Broncos, we have Willis McGee. For the 49ers, Kaepernick and Hunter, NFL draft class, non-serial numbered. Broncos, Nosha Marino, and the Seahawks, Sidney Rice. For this first break here too, I think I might look at doing like a Ustream, so when you guys are on here, you guys can talk at the same time. So for the Rams, we have Danny Amendola. The Giants, Hakeem Nicks. He's one of the guys. Oh, let's hold on here a second. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Here's your fourth hit actually of this box. So we have for the Baltimore Ravens. We have Anthony Allen. This is another sticker autograph. So Anthony Allen. Baltimore Ravens. Who has the Ravens? Alright, Daniel G. Congratulations, man. Nice sticker autograph there for you. Stick that right there. That would be our 4th hit of the box. Moving on. Cowboys, Tony Romo. And the Jets, Antonio Holmes. Maybe this will be one of those 6-hit boxes. That's the only thing I can say. With 4 down there already, we're at least looking at 1 more on-card autograph, hopefully. Still have a ton of packs to go through here. Baltimore Ravens. Anquan Bolden. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. It'd be nice to have an autograph on one of them. For the Patriots, Stephen Ridley, Rookie of the Year Contenders. That's a nice card right there. Non-serial numbered. For the Lions, we have Matthew Stafford. And for the Niners, Alex Smith. So still a ton of packs to go, and hopefully we have still a ton of hits to go. That would be outstanding. Texans, Arian Foster. Saints, Pierre Thomas. Alright, here we go. We have Mercedes Lewis, and this is a playoff ticket. Serial numbered. I don't know if that's going to zoom in or not, hopefully. Of course it's not. This thing's just been giving me issues here lately. 03 of 99, so a serial numbered hit. That is a gorgeous looking card. Tight end for the Jags, Mercedes Lewis. Alright, put that with the hits. Alright, Chargers, Vince Jackson. And the Patriots, we have Deion Branch. We're already at 15 minutes here with our first box here, so I'm going to break this into two. Like I said, I'm not in any rush, even though it is getting late here, 1 a.m. here in Minnesota. For the Kansas City, we got Jamal Charles. With the Bills, we got Fred Jackson. Super Bowl ticket, Troy Polamalu with the Steelers. And these things, you know, I've seen them online with all the breaks that I've been involved in, and I have to agree, these things look amazing. Bears, Matt Forte, and Steelers, Rothenberg. See that big stack? We still got a ton of cards, so I'm going to start at least speeding it up a little bit. We want to keep this at least under 20 minutes. So for the Skins, D'Angelo Hall. For the Bengals, Cedric Benson. All right, here we go. Rookie of the Year contender, Denarius Moore. And it's for the Raiders. Non-serial number. Lions, Javid Best. And the Steelers, once again, Rashard Mendenhall. So thanks again for everyone that purchased on this evening. We'll be doing a lot more breaks just like this. Kansas City Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Rams, Sam Bradford. Legendary Contenders. We got Vikings, John Randall. And that one is serial numbered. 84 of 100. We got St. Drew Brees and Kansas City, Kyle Orton. See if we got another auto in here. Come on, guys. Giants, Manningham. Baltimore Ravens, we got Joe Flacco. Another Super Bowl ticket for Bob Greasy of the Dolphins. Gorgeous looking card. Non-serial numbered. Seahawks, Tavarius Jackson. Giants, Eli Manning. MVP, Super Bowl. 17 minutes, we got plenty of time. Alright, for the Packs, Greg Jennings. Texans, Matt Schaub. Legendary Contenders. For the Lions, Barry Sanders, another beautiful looking card, non-serial numbered. Jets, we got Sean Green, and Lions. Oof, that's a tough one right there. Young Soo. If I mispronounced that, my bad. Please get one more auto here, make you guys happy. For the Bucks, Josh Freeman. Kansas City, we got Matt Castle. Rookie roll call for the Raiders, Taiwan Jones. For the Texans, Andre Johnson. Cowboys, Des Bryant. Might have been a little bit over 20 minutes. And I ask you guys leave me comments, so if this is going way too fast, way too slow, just let me know. I mean, I want to make sure that you guys know exactly what you're going to be getting. For the Vikings, we got AP. Colts, Peyton Manning. Mike Williams for the Bucks. Kenny Britt, Tennessee Titans. And Vernon Davis for the 49ers. Alright, Raiders, Carson Palmer. Dolphins, Brandon Marshall. John Mackey for the Colts, Super Bowl ticket. Non-numbered. Cowboys, we got Felix Jones. And for the Vikes, we got Percy Harvin. I want to see at least one more auto come out of this. at least one more. Come on, let's see what we got going on here. For the Skins, Santana Moss. Bengals. Another one of them crazy names. Ray Maluga. Maaluga. For the Skins, Darryl Green, Legendary Contenders card, non-serial numbered. For the Jags, Mercedes Lewis, and for the Cards, Kevin Kolb. Hope that redemption card didn't count for one of our autos this evening. That would suck. Alright, for the Falcons, we got Matt Ryan. For the Rams, Steven Jackson. Rookie roll call, Ryan Mallett for the Patriots. Non-serial numbered. Chargers, we got Malcolm Floyd, and for the Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Now, some of these breaks that I went through, it seems like they were going through a box. Literally, they wouldn't even allow you to look at the comments. All they would do is pull out the inserts. So if you guys want me to do that, I'm still not going to do it. I just don't feel right. For the Eagles, we got Deshaun Jackson. Ravens, Lee Evans. Oh, this is going to be something. For Michael Finley for the Packs. Jay Cutler for the Bears. And Colt McCoy for the Browns. Got 2 packs left. I'm going to get one more. At least one more here. Colts, Dallas Clark. For the Bucks, LeGarrette Blount. For the Saints, 2011 rookie draft class of Jordan and Mark Ingram. Non-serial numbered. For the Falcons, we got Roddy White. And for the Titans, Chris Johnson. Find one of those gold tickets. Let's see, guys, something good here. Alright, for the Raiders, Darren McFadden. For the Bills, Steve Johnson. Oh, there we go. For the Cardinals, sticker autograph of Anthony Sherman. Take a good look at that. Anthony Sherman. Sorry it's not zooming in exactly as well as it should. That's a sticker autograph, Anthony Sherman for the Cards. So Brian P., congratulations. Sticker autograph. For the 49ers, Frank Gore. And for the Patriots, Wes Welker. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break this into 2 videos. I'm going to start loading this one right now. So this will be box 1. Box 2 coming right up. And we will go on from there. Thanks, guys.